In this video, I'm going to explain a great feature in Mies, the ability to convert between different units of measure automatically. This feature is really important because it makes for easier costing, nutritional calculations, and even scaling. To show you how it works, we're going to start with a little science lesson. I have a recipe with just 2 ingredients, 1 cup of molasses, 1 cup of sugar. Starting in view mode, I'm going to click the cup next to molasses. Then I'm going to type in gram and press enter. See how Mies automatically tells me the weight in grams of a cup of molasses. Okay, now I'm going to do the same thing for sugar. Notice that even though we start with the same volume, the 2 ingredients have different weights. This is because science tells us they have different densities. Now, the big question, how does Mies know how to accurately convert these 2 ingredients between weight and volume? If we click on molasses, Mies takes us to the ingredient page for that product. From there, we can click on the UOM equivalency tab. Here is where we see the relationship between weight, volume, and each. Now, if we go back and check out the page for sugar, notice there is a big difference between the weight to volume for sugar versus the weight to volume for molasses. So it is in these tabs, the UOM equivalency tabs, that you'll find how Mies converts between units of measure. And you'll notice that we actually have these conversions in place for these 2 ingredients already. You don't have to put them in. In fact, we have unit of measure conversions for thousands of ingredients. This is really helpful information because the UOM equivalency tab is extremely important for creating nutrition labels, properly costing your recipes, and making sure that you're able to swap between weight and volume and piece throughout the app.